Well, hello. I'm going to show you my office and trading setup.
Wait. Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. If this is your first time here, I am the big fella that is the Scruffy Trader. And I've just been literally having a chat with the guys in the Scruffy Squad, and they're asking about my office layout. So it's a little salute to Liam, good old fella there. I thought, well, what I'll do is I'll just film it and I'll show you. But the first thing that I do, regardless of anything in that office, is I start my day here in the kitchen. Because the best part of any trading setup is your coffee. Why? Number of reasons. One, it lubricates the brain and keeps you going. But the other is it also gives you an excuse to step away from the screen. Because there's nothing worse than going into a trade and having your itchy fingers. Now you're going to see some things on my desk because I do have an itchy finger. And I'll show you what they are. So, got my coffee, let's go in the study and I'll take you around it and, well, who knows, might inspire you to change your own setup. Okay guys, found my office, got my coffee, got my coffee stained little mat which is Yoda. And as you go around this office, you might figure out that I have an affinity for something. So let me put that down and I'll take you through it.
Well, we're waiting.
Okay guys, so I've got a small office in the house and I'll just pan it round a little bit to show you. And this is where Winky and I spend our time. Now if you are going to be in an office, make certain you have a very comfortable chair. Now I like my high back chair because my back's smashed and it works very well. Okay, so we'll shift that out the way and we'll start up here. Now up on the top there, I do get various bits and pieces from you good viewers and I keep all of it. It never goes. And there's a little bit of a theme kicking off. I am an aging child. And then when you see me on the whiteboard, it's here. Now that is lit up from the ring light pointing at it. I do have a standing light that goes with it as well. Over to that camera pointing at it. And then when I'm doing it, I have my nice artwork to look at. My kids bought me this blueprint of the Millennium Falcon, and one of the good viewers' kids, little salute to Esme and Alan, she drew that for me, so I kept it because you should. And then when you come down into the desk itself, now I have a little block here. This normally has the news running, so I have Sky News running on that. Again, a little bit of a light up Boba Fett. It changes colours and all different things, so I play with that all the time. Play with my Batmobile, got my little Yoda, into my Star Destroyer, little R2-D2 to whiz around. Then I have my other phone, which is here, so I can get my messages very quick. Shocker who's holding that. Then we come round to, this is Winky's setup on her side. Which is normally a complete tip, and then down onto my setup, and it's just quite simply 3 screens. I trade mainly on this one, so when you see me trading, it's that camera that you're seeing me on screen looking at this screen. I normally have my other account on this screen here out of the way. This is like the longer term, what I use for prop. And then as you can see, I have another screen on the top which is just for Google Music, etc. Now I want you to pay attention to these. Why would they be important? Well, they're important for a very good reason, and let me tell you. So why are these important? Why would I highlight a Batmobile and a Star Destroyer, a wonderful Star Destroyer? Well, mine makes noises. Whoa, play with that. I'm going to play with it again. Whee! See? It's because I'm an aging child, you see. But because I'm an aging child, I have fidgety fingers. And as much as I'm very patient, I also tinker, and I shouldn't. And I recognise this in my journals, that if I'm tinkering, I make mistakes. So I have these peppered around my desk so that I don't make mistakes. Because if I'm waiting for a 5-minute candle to close, I'll play with my toy. Or I'll flick this up and I'll just switch that off in case I get a copyright. I'll listen to some ridiculous music. Like at the moment that is the Moody Blues. Can't beat the Moody Blues on a Sunday morning. Fantastic, Justin Hayward. So that's my setup. It's how I control things. And, well, I'm just an open book. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.